Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Net, a self-taught baker, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make these delicious Biscoff Cheesecake Loaf. Super easy to make, and it only take a few ingredients. If you enjoy quick and easy recipes, please hit that like on your way in. And if you need help or have any questions, you can comment down below and I'll be sure to answer all questions. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing and joining the family. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is ground up about 16 ounces of Biscoff cookies in a food processor. So once you completely grounded it, you're going to go ahead and separate about 4 ounces away from this batch. And right here I'm going to be adding about a half a cup of melted butter, unsalted. And we're just going to give it a quick mix until it's well combined. And how you know it'll be done, it should look like wet sand. So now you're going to place your cookie crumble inside of your loaf pan, and we're going to stick this inside the freezer for about 30 minutes. But in the meantime, let's start on our filling. So for this recipe, we're going to use about 16 ounces of cream cheese, and we're going to just give this a quick whisk and just until it gets nice and soft. So to our cream cheese, we're going to now add about 1 cup of Biscoff butter. Now we're going to combine both butter and cream cheese together until it's well combined. So now we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, and now we're going to mix everything all together until it's well combined, until you see no more powdered sugar. Last but not least, we're going to add about a 1/4 tablespoon of some lemon juice, and then we're going to continue to mix until everything is well combined. So now we took our pie crust out of the freezer, and now we're going to just fill it with our Biscoff cheesecake filling. Now we're just going to spread it so it can get nice and smooth. So next I just microwave the remainder of the Biscoff butter, and we're just going to drizzle this right on the top to where we're going to go ahead and spread it. Y'all, when I tell y'all this was so easy to make, I'm telling y'all, I hope you guys get the chance to try it. I'm sure this will become one of your favorite cheesecakes because it became one of mine. So now we're going to take the remainder of our Biscoff cookies, which I roughly grounded up, and we're just going to top our cheesecake with it. And I would like to give a special shout out to my channel members, Tay Eats, and also Keeping Up with the Griffins. If you have not already subscribed to their channel, go ahead and check them out. I will leave all their information linked down below. And if you haven't already, consider joining the membership. So now we're going to stick this in the refrigerator for about 8 hours. It's best to do it overnight. And when it's done, it should look something like this. Now we're just going to add a little drizzle over the top. And just like that, we made ourselves some cheesecake, y'all. Now the moment you've been waiting for, let's take a slice. Don't this look delicious? Hit that like if you enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video with me. I really do appreciate it. This came out so good. Like I said, I hope you guys get a chance to try it. Until the next video, you guys, peace.